The Mockplus Design System helps you customize your design systems, manage all your design assets in one place, and streamline the entire design to development process. This video tutorial will show you how to get started with the Mockplus Design System. Mockplus DS enables you and your team to coordinate the customization of design systems and the management of design assets online. Many design assets, including UI components, brand elements, and other design patterns, can be gathered in one place to ensure brand consistency. With a few simple clicks, you can create your own design system libraries. You can add assets to your libraries directly, either online or using the Sketch plugin. It is an easy process to manage your design assets and create unified design systems to suit your brand. There are 4 aspects to the Mockplus Design System: asset management, Sketch plugin, team management, and linking to design systems. Let's go through them one by one. When logged in, click on Design Systems on the left-hand navigation bar to manage your design assets, including colors, texts, layer styles, components, icons, and images. You can also create multiple libraries, groups, and subgroups to manage more efficiently. Let's look at the sample library as an example. Click on the plus icon in the top left-hand corner to create a blank or sample library. Select the sample library and give it a name. Open this library, and you will find a navigation panel on the left in the description section at the top. When you choose a category on the side panel, clicking on any asset will bring up the property panel, which shows the details of the asset. You can rename CSS variables and create tags for assets in the panel. You can also click on the plus to add a new color. A drag and drop helps reorder or move the asset to another group. The X in the top right-hand corner also helps you to delete the asset. On the navigation panel, you can create different groups to manage your assets. Mockplus offers a Sketch plugin to help you sync assets in Sketch with the online libraries. Start the plugin by clicking on Plugins and Mockplus DS in Sketch. Then log in with your own Mockplus account. Select a category, create a new group, select Layers in Sketch, and click on plus on the right side. The related asset has been added to your new group. This Sketch plugin allows you to add 6 categories of assets: colors, texts, layer styles, components, icons, and images. In Sketch, you can reuse assets stored in online design system libraries. You can also import Sketch assets to update your online libraries. Once imported, your online libraries will also be updated if you refresh the page. If you have added assets directly to online libraries, then when you refresh the Sketch plugin, those assets will also be synced. Members of your Mockplus teams can also work in Mockplus DS. You can invite members to join your team, assigning them different roles and permissions. You can also create multiple teams to manage the members more effectively. You can click on your avatar in the top left-hand corner to create or switch teams. You can also manage library members. Click More on the cover of a library and choose Information. Then Editors. Then, click Manage Editors to add team members to a design system library and permit them to edit the design system. Those who do not have editing permission in the library will find a read-only on the cover. Open that library, and you will also find a read-only next to the library's name. In development mode, you can link projects to design systems. When they are linked, Developers can find and check the name of color variables in the Property panel. You can also open a design system library and link it to one or more projects. So, developers can check asset variables in the Property panel. Mockplus DS can help product teams improve the management of brand images, design assets, and design systems. What are you waiting for?